In the complex tapestry of our modern world, factories are the engines of progress, humming with the rhythm of production that shapes our daily lives. In the complex tapestry of our modern world, factories are the engines of progress, humming with the rhythm of production that shapes our daily lives. But behind the scenes of this relentless drive for efficiency and innovation, there lies a history marked by human struggle and sacrifice. Today, we're not just looking at machines and products. We're taking a moment to reflect on the importance of workplace safety by remembering some of the most heart-wrenching industrial incidents in history. This is a tribute to the individuals whose stories spurred monumental changes in labor laws and safety regulations, ensuring that future generations could work in safer environments. These stories serve as powerful reminders of why every safety rule, every piece of protective gear, and every emergency protocol is so critically important. They are the lessons that have shaped the way we think about the relationship between people and machinery. Let's start with the story of the Triangle Shirtwaist Factory, an event that became a turning point for labor rights in America. In 1911, a fire broke out in a New York City garment factory. The tragedy was compounded by locked exit doors and inadequate fire escapes, a devastating combination that highlighted a profound disregard for worker safety. The public outcry that followed led to sweeping reforms in safety standards and labor laws, forever changing the landscape of American workplaces. Moving forward in time, the story of the Analox roll incident in a printing facility brings to light the hidden dangers in seemingly routine operations. An Analox roll, a heavy cylinder used in printing presses, requires careful handling during cleaning and maintenance. In one documented case, improper procedures and the lack of secure locking mechanisms led to a tragic accident. This incident underscored the absolute necessity of lockout-tagout procedures, a system designed to ensure machinery is properly shut off and not restarted during maintenance. It is a testament to how even the most mundane tasks can carry risks if safety protocols are not meticulously followed. The food processing industry, while providing sustenance for millions, has also had its share of safety challenges. Consider the industrial meat grinder, a powerful piece of equipment essential for large-scale production. The sheer power of these machines demands the utmost respect and caution. Tragic incidents have occurred when safety guards were removed or bypassed, often in an attempt to speed up work. These events have led to stricter enforcement of machine guarding standards, mandating that all moving parts be shielded to prevent accidental contact. It is a somber lesson in why safety features should never be compromised for the sake of speed or convenience. In another area of food production, industrial mixers and blenders present similar hazards. These colossal machines used to mix vast quantities of ingredients operate with immense force. Stories from the past tell of workers who fell into these vats, often due to a lack of proper railings or fall protection. The ensuing investigations led to redesigned equipment with enhanced safety features, including secure covers, automatic shutoffs, and mandatory guardrails. These changes reflect a growing understanding that human safety must be engineered into the design of the machinery itself. The chemical industry has also been the setting for profound lessons in safety. The story of an incident at a chemical plant involving a vat of sulfuric acid is particularly sobering. A worker fell into the vat due to a corroded walkway and a lack of adequate fall protection. This catastrophic event sent shockwaves through the industry, leading to a complete overhaul of how corrosive materials are handled and stored. It prompted stricter regulations on infrastructure integrity, regular inspections of walkways and platforms, and the mandatory use of specialized personal protective equipment, or PPE, for anyone working near hazardous chemicals. Let's turn to the realm of heavy manufacturing and the industrial press. These machines, which stamp, press, and form metal with thousands of pounds of force, are cornerstones of modern production. However, their power makes them incredibly unforgiving. Past incidents have involved workers being caught in the press, often due to a malfunction or a moment of inattention. These tragedies were instrumental in the development of advanced safety systems such as light curtains that immediately stop the machine if a hand or arm breaks the beam, and two-hand control systems that require the operator's hands to be safely on the controls and away from the danger zone. The paper and pulp industry has its own unique set of risks, particularly concerning the paper pulper. This machine chews up wood and recycled paper into a slurry, the first step in making new paper. Its powerful rotating blades are extremely dangerous. Accounts from the past describe workers falling into the pulping vats, leading to industry-wide safety campaigns. These initiatives focused on better machine guarding, improved access platforms with secure railings, and extensive training on the dangers of the equipment. It is a clear example of how an industry can come together to address a specific hazard and create a safer working environment for everyone. Industrial ovens and furnaces, used in everything from baking to metalworking, operate at extreme temperatures. A horrific incident from the past involves a massive bread oven where a worker became trapped inside during a maintenance check. Miscommunication and a failure to follow lockout procedures led to the oven being turned on. The public and industry response was immediate, leading to the creation of stricter confined space entry protocols. These rules now require multiple checks, a dedicated attendant, and a clear permit system before anyone can enter such a space, ensuring such a tragedy is never repeated. Finally, we consider the dangers of the wood chipper, a machine familiar to many from landscaping and forestry. Its high-speed blades are designed to shred large branches and logs into small chips. Incidents involving these machines are often the result of workers being accidentally pulled in while feeding material. These events have prompted manufacturers to redesign feed chutes, add emergency shutoff bars, and promote extensive training on safe operating distances. The lesson here is that even machinery used outdoors in seemingly open spaces requires strict adherence to safety protocols. Each of these stories, while difficult to hear, carries an invaluable lesson. They represent moments of profound loss that compelled society to demand better. They are the reason we have organizations like OSHA, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, and similar bodies around the world. These agencies work tirelessly to create and enforce the standards that protect workers every single day. The progress we've made in workplace safety is built upon the memory of those who came before. By remembering their stories, we honor their legacy and recommit ourselves to the principle that every worker has the right to return home safe and sound at the end of the day. Thank you for joining me in this moment of reflection. It's a heavy topic, but an important one. If you found this video meaningful, please consider liking and subscribing for more content that delves into the stories that have shaped our world. Stay safe, and remember to always prioritize safety in everything you do.